Set a 1 kHz square wave signal to input channel 1. Press Auto Set. Now expand the time base to 50 nanoseconds. Press SPIC button and S-WAV button. Press Menu button. Press Picture Browsing. Then OK. This shows the last picture saved, with all measurements. Press Menu button. Press Wave Browsing. Then OK. This shows the last wave saved, with all measurements. Now you can adjust the waveform using the controls, which will help with further investigation. Disconnect the BNC lead, then adjust the time base to suit your requirements. You can now use the time cursors and voltage cursors to take fresh measurements from the captured waveform. You can now use the time cursors and voltage cursors to take fresh measurements from the captured waveform. Fresh results captured. Pick a new captured wave. Now you can take new results using time cursor. This shows 1 kHz and 1 millisecond. This is helpful of past captured views. Now capture fresh voltage with cursors. To capture a picture via export to a laptop. This is via a USB to USB lead. Use Export button within menu. Find the folder labeled 1014D. This folder contains all the captured screen images from the FNIRSI 1014D Oscilloscope, including the measurements displayed on the screen. These images can be saved and used for future analysis and comparison. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and leaving a comment. Your feedback is always welcome and helps us create more useful videos.